there's a camera around.
Comparing these inverters to the other ones, this wiring is way easier. Where all of the other inverters were a screw or a mechanism that you have to open up with a screwdriver to kind of open it up. This is very easy. It's just a little tiny plug on the back, a little push button to release it, and it just slides into place, and then these just open and close. New setup for these, it's like a 3/4 turn. This has the same 3/4 turn locking mechanism. Preventative reasons, we will strap the whole thing for shipping so nothing gets jostled and falls off.